Hey you all, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul, all the makeup products that I bought. And I bought all the products because I needed them, because most of the products were going to get expired or were about to finish. So I thought it would be a great time to restock them. So that is the only reason that I bought these products. I didn't bought anything that I didn't need it. So don't buy anything that you don't need. And in the end I will also show some other products I have ordered from Amazon and Hair Love India. So it would be a very haulful video. So if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe down below, because that will really help me grow my channel. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Okay, so first product is the base, which is the primer. So I ordered this Maybelline Master Primer in greenish, which is for reddish skin. So if you have acne or some red issues in your skin, so you can try this. So this is the outer packaging, and this is how the bottle looks like. And I will show you the product consistency. So this is the tube in which it comes like this, and this is how the product looks like. The consistency is medium consistency. It's really mixes with the skin. So yeah. So next is what we use after you applying the primer is a concealer. So this is the LA Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange, because I really wanted to try something for the pigmentation and the dark circles. So I have heard it's very good, so I thought of buying it this time because it was a great deal. So I invested in this. So this comes with a brush in front, which makes the application more easier, and this is the color. So if you have pigmented skin or dark circle, you can try this, as it helps in even out the skin color. So after concealer, what we apply is a foundation. So I bought this Maybelline foundation. My foundation was getting over, so I thought I should restock them. And the shade is 335 Classic Tan, and it's the exact shade of my skin color. So if you are similar to my skin tone, you can check this out. I earlier used a Golden Caramel, I think 332, and that was a little bit lighter, but this one is, I guess, perfect for my skin. So this is the foundation shade, and it's kind of liquidy. It's not that like matte hard or something. It's kind of on liquidy side, so I like it. So now is, after that, what we use is a mascara. So my mascara was very old, so I thought of restocking it as well. So this is the Colossal Mascara by Maybelline. I got most of the products I got are from Maybelline. So this is how the brush looks like. So yeah, everyone loves mascara by Maybelline. So okay, so after that, for the longest period of time, I wanted to try a bronzer but wasn't able to. So I found the cheapest bronzer that was available in the Nykaa. So I bought this LA Colors Shimmer Bronzer, and it has shimmer in between the star which is showing. That's the shimmer. This is how it looks like, and this is the shimmer, if you can see, and this is the mix of the both. I hope you can see it. Okay. So then I bought something for my parents. So my mom wanted a massage cream for a longest period of time. So I bought this Khadi Naturals Herbal Face Massage Cream. And this is how it looks like. And this is the consistency of the cream. And my mom has used it yesterday and she is loving it. So she has asked me to order a big one. I don't think they have a bigger size. And for my dad wanted just a Nivea cream for winter, so I ordered this. And I had some coupon code, so I got this shower gel free from their Nivea range. So yeah. And November was my birthday month, and as a Prime member of Nykaa, they have sent me this Go For Glow Peel Off Mask, and I got it in mid-November, but I thought of showing it in this video just for fun. So this is how the packaging looks like. And inside this you get a silicone brush like this for application, which is really nice. And this is how the bottle looks like. It's really fancy. And this is their Age Rewind Peel Off Mask, and they know I'm getting old, so they have sent me this. So thank you. This mid one is the consistency of the peel mask, such a goldenish color. So just you have to apply it and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes and then just peel it off. I haven't used this one yet, but my mom has and I need to use it. So yeah, that's all that I got from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Now moving on to Hair Love India. Okay, so from Hair Love India, I got this box and it comes in this packaging. So first I got the 6 set of their scrunchies. So I have kept in this coconut bowl. It's looking very pretty. So first is their yellow. This is scrunchie. This is, I guess, the lazy scrunchie. I will try to mention the names. They have a lot of categories in scrunchie. So this is the loosest and the color is so pretty. And the second one is this gray one and it fits me so perfectly and I just love using this one. So this is how it's big. Then there is this blue one which stretches very nice, which is really good for ponytails. And then there is this purple one which is also very stretchable and I really like them. The blue one and the purple one I am giving to my mom. This is the pineapple one. This is the smallest and if you use it, it stretches out. Like it has stretched to this size. Now just rub it in your palms like this and it will get back to its original size. This is insane. So yeah, this is perfect for pineapple. And the last but not the least is this donut kind of scrunchie which is really pretty and really thick. So I guess they will be very good for judas. So yeah, this is the last scrunchie. So next is this temp heat cap. So when you go to a salon, they apply products in your hair and then put heat on your hair so that the products work really well for your hair. So these works same and you can just microwave them or use a double boiler method to heat them. They have flaxseed bags inside them. So they heat up and you can use it for 20 to 25 minutes. And you need to wear a shower cap inside this because you are not supposed to wash them. So you need to take care of them. And you are supposed to use this once a month only. So this is how it looked like and the print is really amazing and pretty. So next is a satin bonnet. So this is the bonnet looks like. It's really shiny and pretty and this is their tying satin bonnet. So if you don't know what a satin bonnet is, if you have wavy to curly hair, and sleeping in a satin bonnet makes your curls last longer and your hair doesn't get dried up or your curl pattern doesn't get stretched out. So they are really amazing product. So I wear them in daytime as well just to protect my hair. So yeah, this is their tying one and I really love them. And I really love wearing this. So the last product that I got today only by Amazon is this brush set from Miniso. And I really wanted a brush set for the longest period of time and it doesn't have too much of brushes, so it's really good. And let me just show you fatafat. I only had one brush for powder one only or the foundation one, I don't know. So I needed more for bronzer and everything. So I got these. So they are kind of small, like this is the size. And the bristles are really soft. So yeah, I guess it will work. And I am not a pro at a makeup or not a makeup guru, so these are the brushes. I guess this is for eyebrows. These are for eyeshadows or concealer. I need to study them. This is eyeshadow. This is, I don't know. And also you get this pouch with this. So you can store your makeup brushes while traveling here. So yeah, that's all that I got from Amazon, Hair Love and Nykaa. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it was a fun video for you to watch. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe down below and I will see you next time. Till then, bye.